You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead.
Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Julia. Ice cream time again on the channel. Today I have some delicious Snickers ice cream bites. For you, they are so easy to make and they are done with a no churn ice cream, so let's get started. I'm going to melt down my milk chocolate with some cocoa butter just to make it a lot more runny and easier to work with, and because I'm going to have so much filling in these little chocolate goodies, I really want to have the chocolate thin so I can have a lot more filling in there, but the cocoa butter is really optional. You can easily just use the chocolate as it is. I just find it a lot easier to work with cocoa butter in. But what I do is just place it in the microwave for 10 seconds at a time, take it out, give it a stir, back it again for 10 seconds and keep doing that until the chocolate and cocoa butter has melted completely. I have a silicone mold and I'm just going to use a spoon and add in some chocolate to them all. You don't have to use this kind of silicone mold, you can use any kind of silicone mold you want. Also for some mini muffins instead, you really don't have to have it this shape. Work the chocolate up against the sides. You really want the sides to be covered in chocolate. We don't want any holes where the filling can run out of. When I've covered them all in chocolate, I'm just going to flip my mold around and just shake the excess chocolate out. Scrape the chocolate off the top and place this mold in the freezer for around 15 minutes while we make the ice cream mix. Just whisk some heavy cream stiff. Add in some sweetened condensed milk, creamy peanut butter, and some milk chocolate. And I have not added any cocoa butter into this milk chocolate because there's no need when it is going into the ice cream. You just whisk it all well together until you have a yummy ice cream mix. I've taken my mold out of the freezer and I'm just going to add in some caramel to the mold. I'm just going to use some store-bought caramel and about half a teaspoon in the mold. Time for some salt roasted peanuts. Just add in 3 to 5 peanuts in your molds. I've added all my ice cream into a piping bag just to make this process a lot easier. Just pipe in some ice cream. Be careful not to add in too much. Give the mold a little shake. And add in some more ice cream into the mold that needs some more ice cream. Use a spoon to kind of flatten out the ice cream, and if you have used too much ice cream in some of them, just remove the ice cream that is too much of with a spoon. Place this mold into the freezer for at least an hour. While the ice cream is in the freezer, your chocolate might set in your bowl, but don't worry, just place it back into the microwave for about 10 seconds and give it a stir, and then you have a delicious, yummy, runny chocolate again. My ice cream now been in the freezer for 1 hour, so I'm just going to take it out and add some chocolate on top. And as you can see, my chocolate is really runny from the cocoa butter, so the chocolate itself almost fill out the mold without me helping the chocolate, but I'm also just going to use my spoon to make sure that the ice cream is completely covered in chocolate. Place these back into the freezer for at least 6 hours, and after that they are ready to be served. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe for my Snickers ice cream bites, and if you want to give it a go, go down below because there is all of the ingredients. Bye!